we have a new setup. So I'm really excited for this whole thing that we're doing. I just got a little mini tripod instead of my huge one that's for a Nikon camera, and that makes it so much easier to have better lights and work at my desk so I don't have to rearrange the whole room to film. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam. ¿Cómo están? Voy a comenzar a hablar más en español porque tengo que practicar. So, bienvenidos todas mis amigas y amigos que hablan español. Aquí vamos a estar. Puedes también comentar. Hazme que practique. Estoy feliz en practicar. Tengo que hacer eso. So for today, I really want to dig into one of the 3 Colourpop palettes, and each one is as gorgeous as the next one. I mean, Miss Bliss. And you're gonna come next with In a Trance. We definitely can't forget Aura and Out. If I was gonna try to play it safe, I would definitely just go in with Miss Bliss, but I kind of want to mess around with In a Trance. I do want a purple lavendery dream-like makeup look, and that's the one I'm just gonna mess around with today. So how's everybody been? I hope everybody's doing good, staying safe. I finally had the courage to thread my eyebrows, so that's why they are looking a bit more presentable now. So alongside trying the eyeshadow palette, I really wanted to try the full beat makeup sponges. Oh, those were a hard sound. Going from right to left, that's Velvet, Detail, Hourglass, Complexion, and Silicone. I actually, wow. Oh, okay. So I'm going straight into silicone. I've never had a silicone sponge. I guess that's what that, oh, you can't really see it. That little round shape in the middle there. There it is. It's like offset by a color. Okay, so, all right, I guess I'll go in with complexion. I really haven't dug into my Juvia's Place concealer and foundation in a while. Unfortunately, the foundation I have matches my summer tone, which I really don't have right now, so I'm just gonna go in with my concealer. Okay, so I finally got to use it. Oh no. So I'm a huge fan of applying my foundation with sponges. As I just always just spritz some rose water on it and just go to town. While I have just been using these 2 e.l.f. sponges that are like $5 each. So I decided to go in with this whole pack and try something else. Not bad. Not bad. I feel like everything is pretty good in there. Very easy to apply. As you can see, I haven't used the bottom, but that's pretty nice to let it stand and not touch base where I put it on my face. That was a nice surprise. So I already went in with a bit of powder, and I probably do this out of order than what everybody else is used to, but this is how I like to do it. Time to frame this face, and then we'll get into the palette. Okay, so eyebrows are filled in, and what I decided to go in with my eye primer is the Tone Activator from Kaleidos Makeup. I just got it from their whole collection that they come out with. It's resting pretty well. Time to dig in. Ooh, okay. So I feel like this is honestly my first time playing with purples. Pretty much every palette that I want to try on is like the first time I'm using it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go in with Own Your Power. Just all around. I really just want this to be a dreamy look. I really need to get new brushes. I don't feel like I use the ones that I'm supposed to, but I feel like seeing more people use their fingers on Twitter and Instagram has really just alleviated the stress in having like over 30 brushes. Definitely. So that's Own Your Power all over the eye. That's really pretty. So I feel like I'm just going to go in with Up Level right here. Put that right under my eye. So I'm gonna go in with Mind's Eye right on my lid. Oh my god. I actually feel like I want to wet this. So I feel like I can bring in some blues. I'm just gonna bring it in right up here. These colors are coming off the brush so well. I feel like if you missed out on that Roy G. Biv collection, this is definitely a good alternate. Like, all these colors are pretty much just that range of rainbow. So I want to use a bit of liner on this because my eyes seem pretty flat at the moment. I feel like now that's slowly coming together a little bit. So another color I wanted to introduce to this look is just this magenta, again from the Roy G. Biv Colourpop. Awesome. So while doing all of this, I was wondering what type of blush would fit this look, and I want to go in with the NARS, this one right here, which would be Notorious. Okay, that's picking up some color. Sometimes, well, no. Yeah, these are pretty light, but I don't see much. Maybe we should warm my face up. I feel like I'll go with this one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's nice and subtle enough. I don't want to get too wild with this highlighter, but I feel like What a Brat from Fenty would be a super nice addition. These brushes. Oh my god. Fenty's brushes, and I only have one, you guys, is so nice. Just for the lips, since nude is a pretty popular color at the moment, I'm just gonna go with my trusty KKW 4 lipstick and go in with a Colourpop gloss on top. Okay, sets, and the gloss I want to use is this one, again from the Roy G. Biv collection, I'm pretty sure, and it is Starburst. Wow, just white on white text. The enemy. Okay, I completely forgot bronzer. The one and only Fenty bronzer. Final spritz. Okay. Oh my god, I just realized that I could be matching with my ponytail sticker. Is it as iridescent? No, I wish it was. Wait. In my previous video, exactly the one that I just filmed last week, I said, I have no use for glitters. And I saw my ponytail sticker that I did for a convention, and it's like, I want that here. So I just went in with the Stila Siren from My Vanity, and that's it. That's the look, you guys. Oh my gosh. We pulled it off. Now I 100% know that Juvia's place pretty much keeps my face looking so clean. Like there is just pores. I have no idea. I did really end up liking the sponge just a little bit wet, especially with this that just dries up so fast. It settled so nicely on my skin. And in case you're wondering if you just haven't found a good primer with it, I have oily skin, and as of now I am sweaty, and even after like a few 5 to 10 minutes I get oily on my face pretty quick. I ended up just using my go-to primer, and that is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch by Fenty. This is my go-to primer for pretty much all of the foundations that I use. I just end up having a pretty nice base with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this lighting works. I will eventually find out once I edit. I do want to keep messing around with this setup. Even though it does get messy, doesn't matter. At least I don't have to put back a table and a tripod, but I feel like this will work. I really want to mess around with this and the rest of the stuff that I got in the Kaleidos collection. So I'll see you in my next one, guys. Stay safe, take care. Bye. Adiós y te veo en el próximo video. This look, I'm just looking down in the mirror. It's, oh my god, it's so pretty. I wish I had somewhere to go. Like, don't mind my messy bed. Bye guys.